This is a short but vital video if you want to make sure that your offer aligns with your core gift and your deeper purpose. If you feel like you've outgrown what you're currently offering, if your work no longer lights you up, if you have a creative project on your heart that you want to bring to life, or if you're newer to business and you don't yet have an offer, you are in the right place. Because I'm going to show you the exact place on your human design and gene keys chart that will help you create an offer that aligns with who you are and what you came to this world to do. If we haven't met yet, I'm Whitney, a business coach and gene keys guide, here to help you decode your human design and gene keys charts as a way to align your business with your purpose, gifts, and energetics. So if that sounds good to you, stick around and consider subscribing. When you align your products or services with this part of your design, you will become so convicted in what you have to offer that marketing and selling it will become natural and inevitable. And most importantly, you'll feel fulfilled delivering it because it will create the income and impact that you've been desiring. This is step 2 of your unique 5-step business blueprint based on your human design and gene keys charts. We'll be exploring your gene keys life's work, which is your human design conscious sun gate, as a way to create an offer that you feel compelled to share because it's effective and impactful for your clients and fulfilling and rewarding for you. Exploring this part of your chart will help you no matter what level of business you're at right now, because it's not about tactics and strategy. It's about aligning your business with your energetics and who you are. Before we get started, I want to invite you to download the Gene Keys for Business Quick Start Guide. It's linked in the description and comments below. The guide contains access to your free Gene Keys chart, as well as some guiding questions to help you get started exploring your life's work as a way to elevate or create your offer. Your life's work reveals 3 things that are foundational to creating an offer that's beneficial for both you and your clients. First, it reveals your core gift, which represents 70% of your energetic expression. The rest of your chart and your design supports you in expressing this core gift. Let that land for a minute. 70% of your expression. That matters, because your ideal clients aren't just drawn to the topic that you teach or the problem that you help them solve. They're drawn to you, your approach, your lens, and your specific way of doing things. Second, it reveals the type of work that you're best suited for. This type of work aligns with your purpose, your gifts, and your energy. In a business context, this helps you see the specific kind of transformation you're here to support your clients with, and what kind of product or service you'll feel best creating and delivering. When you discover your most natural form of contribution, you stop trying to copy what others have done, and you feel comfortable in your own skin to offer what only you can offer. You stop building things that require you to be somebody that you're not. The third thing your life's work reveals is the natural vibe that people feel when they encounter you, whether that's in person or online. When you begin to embody your core gift, people notice. They begin to feel inspired, motivated, and at ease in your presence. This continues to build that know, like, and trust factor that is required before somebody buys from you. It's when you become comfortable in your own skin and very deeply convicted in your offer that people start to buy from you. And not just anyone, those ideal clients, those soul-aligned people that you've been dreaming of working with. Now, let me make this really practical depending on where you are in your business right now. If you're newer to entrepreneurship, this is where you shape your very first offer. And the amazing news is that you have this information from the get-go. Many people do not have this information And only after they discover this stuff about themselves, they go back and create an aligned offer. But you get to do this from the very start, which means less questioning, less doubt. You can feel confident in your direction, and you can create something that truly aligns with who you are. If you're a more seasoned entrepreneur, this is where you do an alignment audit. You can ask yourself, am I happy with my current offer? Does it still light me up? Is it in alignment with who I am now, not who I was when I created it? Am I facilitating the transformation that I know I'm capable of? What needs to change? And then you can take what you've learned about yourself from your life's work and elevate your offer to the next level, incorporating your wisdom, your thought leadership, and the expertise that you've developed along the way. Imagine this. You have an offer that you are genuinely excited to talk about because you wholeheartedly believe in it. An offer that feels easy to deliver because it draws on your natural gifts and your embodied experience, and it actually gets clients the results that they came for. That's what happens when your offer is aligned with your life's work. When you love what you're selling, your clients feel it. This is when selling becomes easy. Referrals come in without you asking for them. And your business feels like the thing that you were actually meant to build. So here's the next step. If you have not yet grabbed it, go ahead and download the Gene Keys for Business Quick Start Guide linked below. Start exploring your life's work sphere and ask yourself, does my offer align with my core gift? Does my offer feel like me? Sit with it, journal on it, let it land. And when you feel ready to move on to step 3, make sure to watch the next video in this series where we explore your culture sphere so that you can master your message and attract those soul-aligned clients that are meant to find you. I'll see you there.